Assalamualaikum, we are group 4 and my name is Nurujana binti Abdul Wahab.
And my name is Muhammad Khairuddin bin Darul Azman.
And my name is Hamzatina Zahir binti Muhammad Haulidawilah.
In this slide, we are going to present chapter 3, which is compound interest, and chapter 4, which is annuity. Chapter 3. What is compound interest? Compound interest is the interest calculated on both original or principal value on the accumulated past interest. In this chapter, we will using the formula S equal to P times 1 plus I to the power of N. S stand for future value, P stand for principal value, I stand for periodic interest rate, and N stand for number of interest period.
Next, what is annuity? An annuity is a series of equal payments made at an equal interval of time. In each case, equal payments are deposited or paid periodically over time. For example, shop rental, insurance policy, and installment payments. So the formula is S equals to R times 1 plus I times to the power of N minus 1 divided by I. And A equals to R times 1 minus times 1 plus I times to the power of negative N divided by I.
Case study 1. Mrs. Norina won the Instagram Reels competition and received 50,000 ringgit in cash as the first prize. She made the decision to invest all of her prize money in an investment scheme offered by two banks, as outlined before. Bank interest rate offered. Smart Bank is 4.55% compounded monthly. Wise Bank is 4.75% compounded every 6 months. A. For each bank, how much money will Mrs. Norina have in her investment account after 4 years? We use formula S equals to P times 1 plus I times to the power of N. For Smart Bank, P equals 50,000 ringgit. I equals 0.0455 divided by 12 equals 0.00379. N equals 12 times 4 equals 48. S equals to 50,000 times 1 plus 0.00379 times to the power of 48 equals 59,960 ringgit and 7 cents. For Wise Bank, P equals 50,000 ringgit. I equals 0.0475 divided by 2 equals to 0.02375. N equals 2 times 4 equals 8. S equals 50,000 times 1 plus 0.02375 times to the power of 8 equals 60,328 ringgit and 33 cents. B. How much interest differ? For Smart Bank, I equals S minus P, that is 59,960 ringgit and 7 cents minus 50,000, giving interest of 9,960 ringgit and 7 cents. For Wise Bank, I equals S minus P, that is 60,328 ringgit and 33 cents minus 50,000, giving interest of 10,328 ringgit and 33 cents. The difference in interest is Wise Bank minus Smart Bank. 10,328 ringgit and 33 cents minus 9,960 ringgit and 7 cents, which equals 368 ringgit and 26 cents. C. Based on the interest values, which bank should Mrs. Norina pick? Justify your answer. Based on interest values, Mrs. Norina should choose Wise Bank because it offers a higher return over 4 years compared to Smart Bank.
Question D. After 1 year 6 months of investment, Ms. Norina added another 9,000 ringgit in the same SIM. How much should Ms. Norina receive at the end of 4 years? First, she invested 50,000 ringgit in SIM with interest rate of 4.75% per year, compound semi-annually. After 1 year and 6 months, or 1.5 years, the investment grew using the formula S equals P times 1 plus I to the power of N. Put all the information that has been given, and you will get 53,647 ringgit 78 cents. After that, she added 9,000 ringgit more to her investment, making it 53,647 ringgit 78 cent plus 9,000 ringgit equals 62,647 ringgit 78 cents. Then she continued the investment for another 2.5 years. So now using the same formula, you will get the final amount after 4 years. In total is 70,000 ringgit 449 70,449 ringgit 7 cent. So at the end of the 4-year period, Miss Norina will receive 70,449 ringgit 7 cent from her investment. Case study 2, question A. Sarah's parent allocated 10,000 ringgit for her college fund upon her birth. The fund will be invested for 18 years until Sarah begins college. After 18 years, the fund will be withdrawn in equal semi-annually installment over the 4 years of Sarah's college education. The college investment fund pays 4.65% interest compounded quarterly. How much money can Sarah withdraw from the account every 3 months while she is in college? Now let's look Sarah's investment. She invested 10,000 ringgit at interest rate of 4.65% per year compound quarterly for 18 years. We use the formula S equal P times 1 plus I to the power of N, where I equals 0.0465 divided 4 and N equals 4 times 18, we will get 72. The future value of the investment is S equal 10,000 times 1 plus 0.0465 divided 4 to the power of 72, and you will get 22,983 ringgit 6 cents. Now, Sarah wants to withdraw money every 3 months over the next 5 years. We use the annuity withdrawal formula, which is A equals R times 1 negative 1 plus I to the power of negative N divided I. Put all the information that has been given, and after the calculating, we find that R is 1,000 ringgit 1,582 ringgit 48 cents. So Sarah can safely withdraw 1,582 ringgit 48 cents every 3 months for 5 years.
Now look at the question 2. If she missed her first 5 monthly payments, how much should she pay on her 6th payment to settle all outstanding arrears? So the formula is S equals to R times 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1 divided by I. Solve the calculation in the bracket that 1 plus 0.0348 divided by 12 to the power of N minus 1 divided by 0.0348 divided by 12 and times to 1077.66. The last question is number 3. Immediately after paying for 8 years, Sarah wants to settle the loan in full. How much is the amount that she needs to pay? The formula is A equals R times 1 minus times 1 plus I to the power of negative N divided by I. The first step is you must solve the calculation in the bracket. 1 minus times 1, 0.0348 divided by 12 to the power of negative 12 divided by 0.0348 divided by 12. So the answer is RM 12,691.42.